So you've seen me talking about this in the shop. It's my little 828U. I like it, as I've said, I'm biased because it's my gun, but they are brilliant new bits of kit, and just as versatile as, you know, pretty much anything sporting that you can get out there. You know, Johnny's got a 32-inch Maruku Mark 38 trap. Handles just as good as that. One thing that I do find it is a little bit slow on is close crosses, just because some of the pace isn't there to carry it through. There's not much weight, but yeah, for the most part everything else is nice and fun, and yeah, we'll just take some shots and see what we do. Pull. 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 Surprise me, Johnny. See?
Second ever go with a 828U. And there's I think 12 targets to choose from. Let's see how reactive it is. Don't know what it's built for. As and when, please. Brick skeet targets, alright. Quite firm in the shoulder, isn't it? But not painful, just, you know, it feels like
Progressive
a
recoil
long
system.
recoil. Nice though. Very nice. Don't know much about this big bead on the front, but we'll see how we go. Oh! Other cartridge went that way. Tell you what, this shoots really nice. It actually really does. Very easy going. Let's stick something a little bit longer on, would you, Mitch? One of those high birds.
She gets those high birds nice, doesn't she?
I'll tell you what, I haven't missed anything. It's lovely.
It's good, isn't it?
It really is. It's like a side by side to shoot. It's just point it, pull the trigger. Exactly how I like to shoot. But now it's making me second guess the Maruku now, Mitch. I think I'm going to stop. Put it while I'm ahead. How many shots that was?
10.
And it just mullers them. Real nice. Beautiful, man.
Pull. 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 Pull.
Shot.
Pull. Pull. Benelli 828U, not just for hunting.